Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining today's session. Yes, we were stuck yesterday with my trade. One of my trade was a negative, and we were like in trouble at somehow. But luckily, thanks God. After just seeing I had a very good understanding for that situation, and we finally, I just closed that trade with $170. So technically, I have made $170, and the other trade the day before yesterday was stuck already another trade of truth. So that was also closed on $20 positive. So I have made $190 today almost. Already that's already done, and yes. Moreover, it's just a start of session. Before we start our session, I would definitely love to mention the guys, all of you. Uh, Crypto is a very volatile market. Just it is strongly recommended that please do your own research before you enter the trade, and moreover, don't follow my trades. Just This video is just for information and just for entertainment purposes. So just for fun, just take it for fun, and yeah, this live session is just for information and for fun. It's not a financial advice and not a financial literacy, something like that. So I'm just not going to tell you way to enter the trade, way to close the trade. I'm just performing the live trade of myself. So that's the way you can have a better understanding of the trading things. Yes, okay. Uh, Moreover, let's talk about before we uh, enter any trade, let's talk about the current situation of the market. Let's not forget to mention. Okay, so what's going on here is uh, just let me check, guys. Uh, hmm, okay. So yeah, one major thing what's happening is actually the fear index is just increasing, like decreasing and increasing towards the greed size. So today the fear index was 40, which is very good thing actually, I must say, for the long positions, of course, and BTC. Let's not forget to talk about BTC. Um, BTC is just hovering around 91,000, somewhere around there. And over the weekend, it was just 2.5% movement in the BTC. And yes, yeah. So the key resistance level is 90,000 actually. And if something big is just gonna happen, fear index is just showing like it's a good chance to open the long positions, but not recommended. Do your own research before you enter the trade, always. And moreover, let me show you. Okay, so what's going on here is thank you so much for your comments and your encouragement. Yeah, thank you. All right, so what we're going to do is let's talk about some crypto updates. Yeah, Fair Index is increased to 40, which is somehow neutral, just near to 50 and towards going towards greed. So fear index is reducing and going towards the greed size. It's a good sign actually. Uh, but if something big is just going to happen in the market, what can we do? We cannot do anything, of course. And yes, that's it for now. And let's see what's the SEC is just about to do. Yeah. So let's see about the yeah, XRP is just hovering around to 1.92. It's just like moving at some. And Cardano is also like 1.12. It's good. It's a good sign. So there is a bit improvement. And Sol is also Sol is like it's good thing. It's good coin. It's a good project. If you want to invest for the long term period of time. So that's the way you can just buy in spot and keep it like for the longer period of time. That will give you a good return and somehow maybe some years. Yeah, it's just hovering around $126, and yeah, it's on a very good price. But maybe it can fall down a little bit, and yeah, there was a rumor actually circulating about the X payments, so that it just gave a pump to Dogecoin. Of course, Elon Musk. It's just X is just directly linked with Elon Musk's, and something happens with anything of related to Elon, so everything moves according to that. So Q1 of 2026 is like they have just it's just a speculation. Maybe it's a rumor that they are just finalizing the integration part, X payments. Maybe yeah, they will make it live somehow. So that will definitely affect overall market in terms of like the coins, the projects related to Elon. So yeah, that's one also thing can be. And moreover, what's the market sentiments? Yes, retail investors are still like scared by the October liquidation. What happened in October? Like it just wiped out a lot of people and gave a very big panic in the market. And where the price climbs because it's not the dumb money, and of course left to sell. Okay, so let me check another thing. Okay, what can okay, moreover we are yeah, fear index, that's a good sign actually. And Bitcoin dominance is yeah, Bitcoin dominance is on, let me show you guys. It's 58.6. It's just still at some mark. So Bitcoin is not leaving its dominance for now. So it seems like uh, all season is not somewhere near maybe. Uh, but anything can be happen. And let's talk about 30. Yeah, it's BTC dominance is just hovering around 58%. So uh 58, 59, 58, 59, just like that. So it's a very steady sign for Bitcoin dominance. Like BTC is just hovering to the same mark, and I don't know if some things, uh, big things are going to be happen in the market. Then anything can be happen. It's a very volatile market. We cannot like even nowadays gold is also just showing like very unpredictable volatility. So which was very not expected. Well, uh, that it is what it is. What can we do? Actually, we can just wait and see and just plan accordingly. So always be safe, guys. As I have, I made a trade yesterday and I got stuck, and I just did DCA and the price went back again, and my loss appetite was $600, and it went to minus 550, and today. It closed on $170. It could have closed like on more side or more positive, but I just placed the TP at $170. So yeah, I just grabbed profit instead of losing like $600. So yeah, it's like volatility of the market, and what can we do? Actually, we are just doing the short-term scalping. So I always try to close the trade every day, and moreover, yes, let's talk about something else. Okay, so I think let's continue to. I'm just going to share you the screen of my system, so that's the way you can just. Um, all right, guys. I am just going to show you the screen of my system, so you guys will have. You guys can just. Okay. So let me flip the camera. I'm using my phone to show you guys the screen. Okay. So we will do is today we will see like what can we do in the market, and that was the coin. Actually, I was stuck like from 2 days, and if I my TP was very small actually. And previously I just put my TP at $300. I could have made $300 today, but I just try to close the trade as early as possible. That's the way you can just protect yourself. So we are not opening any position for now. You guys can see there is no open position, no close position, and that's my order history. So uh, I just saved myself from the market. So okay, so let's see. Mm, all right, guys. So what's going on here is we will see and okay, let me just okay, so that's the pair. What what's going on with it? We will see the 5 minutes time frame before we enter the trade. And yeah, all right, guys. I have just updated the links in the bio. You guys can just click on the link, and you guys can just connect with me. There is a channel, WhatsApp channel in that, and YouTube and TikTok is linked with that. So you guys can just click on the link and just connect with me and join my community. Moreover, there is a link in description as well, so you guys can click on the link and subscribe and register yourself with this exchange. So that's the way you will be awarded 50 free USDT as a welcome bonus, which you can utilize to perform futures trading. So it's a good opportunity. You can just enjoy free money instead of putting your real money. So yeah, that's a good opportunity. I should recommend you guys to just avail it by clicking on the link I have mentioned in description. All right. So let's talk about the movement. So the 5 minutes movement is just showing the momentum to go a little bit up, but and if we see the 15 minutes time frame, yes, it's on the higher side. It can go up a little bit more, but what can we do? We should wait actually. So this was happened like how many days back? Yes. 2nd of this January. Yeah. Okay, so for now, I think the moment. So that's a 15 minutes time frame, and if we see the 1 hour time frame, let's forget these candles actually. These are uh, it's a new coin. Actually, it's just newly listed on the exchange, so that's why there is a big movements just in the, and that's a 1 hour, 1 day time frame. So if you see the 1 day time frame, it's already on the lower side of its price. Yes, we can open a long position, but for that we need to just we can wait for maybe few days, and if something big happens, then yes, of course, we can make good money. But I'm not going to open any position on long position for long period of time. Um, I wish I could not, but sometimes if we get stuck, so that's what happens sometimes. Yeah. Moreover, um, let's see. Okay, okay. What is it? Uh, okay. I have what about? I don't know what is it. Actually, I'm new to TikTok, so I'm not using it very much. But it's bad. All right. So that's one coin. Actually, that's what I'm just looking at right now. Um, the moment of this one. Moreover, it's a good sign for to open the short position, but I'm not going to open the short position from here at least. I would love to wait until the price comes to at least 0.0097. Yeah, that's a good sign. So, yeah, in the very volatile markets, like the moment on the markets, all you need to do is just to wait and grab the opportunity. Right now, it's not an opportunity for me. I would love to wait until unless let's see the other pair. Where is it? Ah, sorry. Okay. So guys, this is my real account actually. It's not the demo account. I am going to perform the trade on my real account. Okay, so let's see the 15 minutes time frame. Yes. Let's remove this. I have just drawn the support yes resistance yesterday. And if we see the 1 hour time frame, hmm, it can go up, but it can fall down somehow. Maybe, yes. There are chances, but it will take a bit more time. Um, Not sure yet, actually. RSI for the 1 minute is in favor. For the 5 minutes is it's not in favor. For the 15 minutes is not in favor to open the long position. For the 1 hour frame is not also in good shape. So what we need to do is we need to wait actually. Yeah. Uh, okay, so that's the truth. And we'll talk about this one. So yes, this one can give us a good opportunity to open the short position, maybe for the short period of time. Yeah, there are chances. Let me remove these lines. I have just drawn these yesterday. Okay, so if we see the 5 minutes time frame, yes, there are chances for this one to fall down a little bit, but of course, risk is involved in here. It's just hovering around that price from last, I think, 8 to 10 days almost. So something big can be happen. It can go way up, just like these candles. These are the big candles. These happen. These are like just in the nick of time. We cannot even judge like when some big order blocks are going to be happen. Yeah, anything can be happened here. So people, if somebody's selling it, yeah, okay. So guys, what do you think actually? I can open the short position from here. But mm, I'm just confused for now actually. What should I do actually? If we see the RSI is in favor and if we do the back test, yes, there are chances for this one to come a little bit down, but it's already going up, up, up. Yes. We can open the short position, but for that we need to wait maybe sometimes for the some period of time. I just want this one to go a little bit up. So if it crosses this line, uh, If it touches this line and cross this line, so I can open the, well, there are different like strategies. I have seen the people, they just suggest like to go long if it crosses this resistance. Yeah, sometimes it happens, but it's already the, if you see the RSI is just screaming like to open the short position, but I'm just not going to do it for now. You see, RSI is just about, yeah, it's in very good favor. We can open the short position from here, but I don't know, maybe not for now. I am just waiting for this one to, all right, let's wait for now actually. I don't know, I'm not sure. The coins which already are on the lower side of their prices, I personally I prefer to open the long positions. But if something is just going on, because I'm performing the live session now, and if I'm not getting any opportunity, so I will try to grab just at least one or two opportunities in the live session, so you guys can have a look. At least you guys will have a better understanding. Okay, I could have make like uh all right. So yes, we are. Okay, so my strategy should be, yeah, RSI is in a very good favor. I'm just confused here actually. The movement is showing the bullish momentum, but I don't know. Let's open the short position from here using $300. 15x is good. I think let's use 20x. I don't suggest you guys to use more than 10x leverage from the market. Uh, it's my suggestion. Do whatever you want to do. Just learn first. If you have a good control on your emotions, then yes, you can do it. And I am going to open just with 1% of my portfolio, which is like from here is just around $300. And what I'm going to do is I will wait and see. So my strategy, I always perform the trade using 1% of my portfolio. Uh, any side like open long position or short position. Moreover, after just performing the after just entering the trade, if trade goes wrong, yeah, it happens sometimes. So I add same amount of money. Two things can be done. You can add that price if you are opening the isolated margin, then you can add that money to your liquidity. That's the money I can afford to lose actually. And on the other side, you can do the DCA as well. So DCA is a very good opportunity, but it increases your position size, of course, because you're just buying the position again. And the more big position, the more liquidity is just near to your uh, you know liquidity. So that's the way actually. What I do is I just perform like uh, just DCA for once. And DCA should have to be done like just after confirmation of like support and resistance, whatever your position is. So it's strongly recommended. What I'm going to do is I just want this price to go a little bit up. If it touches this price and the candle closes above this line, and the next candle starts from top of this line, that means there are good chances for this one to go a little bit up. But the RSI is in a very good position, and there is not big volume in the coin actually for now. So I think we can open the short position from here. Um, so that's the way we can make good money. But my strategy, I always just prefer to open the long positions for the coins which are already on the lower side of their prices of their value. So yeah, let's see if we can grab this opportunity. Uh, This is a good actually sign for me to open the short position from here. What do you think, guys? You guys can just write me in the comment section as well. There are a few people just watching. Um, okay, so crypto is very volatile market. Just do your own research before you enter the trade. Don't follow the uh, uh, plan and strategy. What I'm doing is just make your own strategy. Make you have your own appetite of making money and losing money. Just set your target and just achieve it and take that away from the market and stay away from the market every day. If you want to perform trade, if you want to do trade every day, well, one more thing I suggest: don't trade every day. So every day is not profitable day. Sometimes it happens, yeah. But if you are winning, then someone is losing, and if you are losing, then someone is winning, of course. uh, so it's vice versa. All you need to do is just to uh, set your target and just don't run after every trade. Like, just wait and select the right trade. And same is the situation right now with me. Actually, I'm just confused. Like, should I open the short position from here, because the RSI in the 5 minutes is also in our favor, but anything can be happened. So I'm just not going to open the short position for now. At least let's wait for few minutes maybe. So let the momentum. Let's see if it goes right. So okay, okay, okay. What's going on? These kind of movements, these small candles, are a good sign for like uh, a big. I don't know. I'm not sure. There's no much volume in the coin actually for now. So the price is already hovering on the higher side. I don't know. What should I do here? Uh, I can open the short position from here, but not sure yet actually. Um, okay, so this is what we are just going to witness. Like, the movement is in the bullish side. So what's happening is we are just going to wait and see if it goes right or wrong. And the price is just moving. Meanwhile, let's see the other coin actually. Uh, yeah, we were just talking about this one actually. And this one, see guys, that's what I was just talking about. It can fall down, then we can open the long position. My benchmark is 0.009697. So if the price comes to 97 somewhere around here, let me check. Let me draw a line for you guys to have a better understanding. If the price comes around this line, what is 0.0096777880, somewhere around there, then yes, I can open the long position. And but for that, of course we need to wait. And for we need to wait is actually wait is very like necessary part of the game actually. um, all you need to do is just wait and try to grab the opportunity on the right position instead of like doing the hurry. And that's what I was just talking about. See, guys, um, it's a clear sign for this one to go maybe a little bit more up, but I don't know. But these small candles are good sign. Maybe it can fall down. These empty wicks. And if it not fills the order block from here, then of course it's just falling down, 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 down. And if it falls down, my entry would be, no, that's too low actually. Let's see the 5 minutes time frame. Yes. So 0.1688. Let's draw the support at least. Yeah. So that's the mark actually. We can open the long position from this mark for short-term scalping, but if we want to perform the, yeah, see guys, it's going up, and let's see if it crosses this line, then for sure it's going way more up. Then of course it's just going to fall down, but how we have to grab that opportunity, we will see. Of course, the RSI is in favor for the 5 minutes also, for the 1 minute also, for the 15 minutes also, for the 1 hour also. Yeah, it's a good sign actually. But I don't know. Actually, I'm not in favor of opening the long short position. I just wanted to grab the long position, but the position which is just in the process, maybe we can we can open a short position. But I was stuck like yesterday. You guys have witnessed this that one. But fortunately, I have just made $170 in that trade actually. So see, there is a rejection at this mark. Let's wait for this candle to be closed. If this one is just going to close with the wick on the lower side, then of course it's going up. So let's see. Okay, okay, yeah, yeah. See, there is a good buyer's order block uh, filling out the orders. So that's why it's just going up, maybe. And I'm very much confused now right now. I just want to open the position, but struggling to find the right way, right time. Yeah. If this candle closes red, yeah. So maybe there's a clear rejection at this mark. So that's the resistance line I have just drawn has a great resistance at this point. Yeah, somewhere around here. So what we need to do is we need to wait and see what if anything goes wrong or right. So you guys can witness. Okay, okay. And what we are going to do is we are just about to see. Um, not sure. At least this mark is like very, yeah. See guys, there was a rejection at this mark. This big candle is had a sign for this one to go a little bit down. So yes, we will open the long position in this one. Yeah, that's right. That's right. See guys, that's what I'm just talking about. And let's see if it fills up the order blocks from here. And what then we do is we can just wait and see for the right time. And so sorry guys, I have kids at home, so they are just shouting. Of course, what can we do? Nobody can stop kids. There is no power in the world to stop kids. Okay, so what we are going to witness is just this one is just maybe fall down a little bit. Then we can open the long position. And for the short term, let me just check if I can grab this opportunity. No, it's already on the higher side of this one. So, all right. So what we are going to do is What do you think? The RSI is in favor. Let's see the 5 minutes time frame. So in the 5 minutes time frame, it's not, of course. But for the 1 minute time frame, we can open the long position just for, but we need to just close that one for in just 1 or 2 seconds. Oh, sorry, 1 or 2 minutes maybe. Uh, just another red candle, then I can open the long position. But I will not get that chance maybe. So what do you think, guys? You guys can just write. You guys can suggest me if you are old to that, if you have experience. But yeah, I'm just using RSI. So RSI is just the only indicator I'm using for my short-term scalping. I always use it actually. Just one indicator. More indicators, yeah, more you will get stuck. And if you get stuck more, then of course, sometimes you take the wrong decision. So I preferably use RSI only and see the market trend as well. So if see it's if on the 15 minutes time frame, yeah, it's a good sign to open the short position. Not sure. Should I open the long position from here? So there is a confusion right now here. Okay, okay. So you guys have to just see and determine like where is the resistance. So that's the resistance I have already drawn at this mark. Previously I have just, and I just mentioned you guys I could have to open the short position if the price touches down this down and go a little bit up, and the next candle should have to be closed down. Then I could have opened the long short position, and I just missed that. But I was not in favor of opening the short position because I got stuck yesterday. You guys already have witnessed that one. And for now, I must say there is a support at this mark, and if it falls down to this, it crosses down this line, then yes, there is a support at this price. This, um, yeah. So let's see. Uh, so that's my real account. That's not my demo account. What we need to do is we are just performing the live trade. I'm just performing the live trade on my live account. And my strategy is I should have mentioned it again. Using 1% of my portfolio can use 15x, 20x leverage, but I don't suggest you guys. Just if you are new to that, just use 5x, 10x leverage from the market using 1 or 2% of your portfolio. My strategy is I use 1% of portfolio to open the position, and I keep another 1% for DCA if price goes wrong. So, and my strategy is to make just 1% of my portfolio every day. So for now it's $300. If I could have make like I already have made. Luckily, fortunately I have made $190. You guys can just see. Uh, my yesterday's trade is $170 and $20 almost. So 190 something. Yeah. So what I need to do is I have to make like just another $100 for today. And let's see if I can get the chance. Maybe I will, but not sure yet. Mm. So that's the way actually you can protect your capital. Just make a strategy, make a plan, make a discipline, and just keep following that. My discipline is if my trade goes wrong to for now for this amount of capital, if it goes to -2% of my portfolio, then I will close the trade manually, whatever it goes like. See guys, that's the support actually I have just drawn here. And there is a support here. The coin is just moving up. The price is just moving up. So, so I'm just trying to do scalping with the RSI. And let's see if I can grab the opportunity. Okay, okay. If this one crosses this line, then it can fall down a little bit more. And the next top, I will open the long position from, let me show you guys, from 0.17, not cleared actually. There is a clear sign for this one to come a little bit more down. Uh, this one is already on the higher side of today's price, so maybe we can open the short position from here. But the 5 minutes are. I just missed that opportunity to open the short position from here. I was just curious. I was just worried if something goes. Yeah, see guys, that it's crossing the line now. So it's just falling down maybe a little bit, but not sure where does it goes. Today we are just going to open the position after waiting and getting the exact confirmation. Without the right confirmation, and my strategy is to open the long position, not opening the short position. So that's what I would just want to do today. And mm, let's see. Yes, we are. Let me get a shareable link to that. I think something is. Yeah, see, guys, it's just falling down. Wow, wow. So I was very right at that mark, actually. You guys can see this one. This one, I just missed that position. I had a good, uh, like feeling for that one, following by the RSI. See, the RSI was in very good favor, but I just missed that because I just don't want to open the short position. I was stuck yesterday, so that could leads us to just wipe out our account as well. So yeah, it happens. My buy time, my buy time, my I have if you see the 15 minutes time frame, so it should be somewhere around for the short term scalping. Yeah, it should be somewhere around 0.168, 168.9 something, somewhere around there. But we can do a short term scalping if the price touches to 0.172 as well. So, but it's already on 1.0.173. So that can be. Uh, I'm just waiting. Actually, I'm not sure. I just want to open the long position. Actually, I'm not in the favor of opening the short position, and I am just waiting. Oh, yeah. So see the other coin actually. We have two in the line to open the longer or short positions. So no, this one is still, this is the line I have just drawn. I will open the long position from here. So here is the support for this frame. And if we see the 5 minutes time frame, yes, that's a clear support here. All we need to do is to wait for this one. Let's see another pair. This one, yes, there is not much volume in this one actually. So we are not going to open to trade this pair for now actually. So my favorite one is this for now. Uh, yeah, for short-term scalping, you guys can see the RSI was here, touches the touches the mark of 5, which is like very, very good sign. So that was the time you can open the long position from here. Just grab like 3 to 4 candles and just close your position as well. So that's a clear sign, but yeah. I get confused sometime, but what we need to do is if you're confused, don't trade. So I was confused at this mark actually. I'm not. What I'm doing is actually I'm just waiting and see. Let's see if we. Okay, should I open the short position? I don't know. Maybe I will open the short position if this one touches this line, the previous support. Then let's see if things goes. Okay, let's open the short position. I am using $300. Oh, no, no, go a little bit. Using 20x leverage from the market. I don't suggest you guys, please don't do that. Do your as per your appetite. Okay. So what's going on here is let's see. Yes. I just want this one to go a little bit up, then I will open the short position from here, maybe. It's a clear sign. Maybe it will take a little bit more time to fall down, but mm, it can go a little bit more up to at least this price, this mark. Then for sure it's just going to fall down. Hmm, I just want to open the short position now, and then we will see if it goes right or wrong. Just waiting for the next candle. If the next candle goes up, but if we see the pattern, if we see the pattern, then yes. But if it goes up, then it can take me down actually. Um, what do you think, guys? Should I open the short position from here? RSI is not in favor on the 1 minute time frame, but if you see the 5 minutes time frame, yes, it's also not in the favor to open the short position at least from here. Maybe it can fall down, but the RSI is not in favor. Uh, let's wait for now. Opening the short position at 0.174. Just go a little bit up, then I can open the short position. Okay, guys, I'm just going to enter the position from here. Okay, let's see. Let's see how much we can grab from this trade. I just did a little bit hurry because, okay, now what we will do is we will wait and see and enjoy the trade. So it's just for fun, enjoy for fun, don't follow the trade. Just do your own research. And if you are new to crypto, if you want to do futures, yes, it's a good money. You can make good money. When I started it, I lost thousands of dollars in 2 years. Then from last year, I just made a strategy and just keep following my strategy, keep following my patterns, keep following my uh yeah discipline. So that's the way we can make good money. So I started making money good. I started making good money from the last year. So yeah. So when I was thinking to I would love to share my strategy with everybody who wants to make money, who is struggling to make money with everybody. At least somebody should at least like if anybody can make money. If I can make money, then anybody can make money. I'm not that much pro in finance and trading things, but yeah, everybody can do it. But what we need to do is just follow the discipline. Just make the discipline. I focus on this word. Just follow the discipline. Keep following your discipline can keep you in the market. If you don't follow your discipline, make your discipline. My discipline is uh, Sorry. Yeah, my discipline is I open the trade with 1% of my portfolio and keep another 1% for DCA. That's my uh, strategy. Moreover, yes, I use that 1%. If trade goes wrong, and it goes to -2% of my portfolio, or let's say if in this case for now, 600 would be my 2% of my portfolio, so that I will manually close my trade and stay away from the market. Yeah, it happens. Yesterday it was just about to happen, but fortunately, I just got lucky and made $200 instead of losing $600. So yes, it happens in the market, and I was just going to set my deep stop loss at -$600, but I just did not do that because I had a feeling like the coin will come down. So DCA can increase your position size, and also if your size increases, your tick value will also increase. So tick value can, of course, hit you back and can take you down, of course, very quickly instead of if half position. One more thing you can do, you can close half of the position if your price comes to that mark after doing the DCA. Sometimes I do that, but mostly I don't do that. I just close the trade, just taking the target of my daily target. So I just keep following my daily targets and just take that money from the market and stay away from the market. And and in this case, you guys can see I am in not a good position, but no worries. We will make some money today. I was planning to open the short position from here and see from where I did it. Well, no worries. We will do DCA if this one crosses this line. Okay, so it's a good thing actually. I think if this trade goes wrong, I will show you where I will do the DCA in this case. So that's the way uh, you can just increase the price or decrease the price, whatever your position is, and just take the position from the market. Yeah, that's happening. And what's going on here is in this case, it's just moving a little bit up. Then of course it's just falling down because if we see the RSI in the longer period of time, yeah, it's in favor. It's in favor. It's in, yeah, for the 1 hour time frame, it's very good in favor, but not sure. Anything can be happen. There's not big volume in this coin actually for now. So what we need to do is we need to wait. Okay, what's going on here? Let's see. So you guys will witness this one. And let's see. This is not a good sign actually. So yes, let's see. Let's wait and see if we can make some of the money. So yes, it is what it is. Yes, we are in a position, and let's see the other coin actually. This position is just open now, and for the other pair, we were just planning to open the position. Yes, if this one comes to this mark, I can limit the order as well. So I'm just going to set the limit. Let me show you guys. Here is the limit. I'm just going to set the limit if the price touches to 9680, then please open the long position. But this one is not allowing me. Okay, let's use it for $100. Yes, so that's my limit actually. My order is just filled. Not filled actually. My order is in place. So open order. So you see, guys, this is my open order. If the price comes to this point, this price, then then it will use my $100 to open the long position using 25x of my the leverage from the market. Don't use that 25x. It's too much. Not recommended. People are using like 100x, 200x. Some exchanges offer on different coins. There are different like capacities of every coin. So I don't suggest you guys. I preferably use 10x, 20x max, not more than 20. Let's say in this case 25x, not more than that. But I strongly recommend you guys to use like just 5x or 10x maybe, not more than that. So because it can take you down very quickly. So what you need to do is just be safe, guys. If you are new to that, if you are, yeah, thank you so much for your comments and gifts. Yes, thank you. Okay, so moreover, what we are going to do is we are just going to wait for, in this case, our trade is open and we can do the DCA at, not now actually. So yeah, as yesterday, you guys have witnessed already, another thing. Our trade got wrong. My my short trades always just goes wrong, but I don't know. I cannot judge very better. I sometimes get confused opening the short position. I preferably opening that long positions because I just trade those pairs which are already on the lower side of their prices. So that's the way you can just at least feel like you are safe in safe hands. But yeah, anything can be happened. So it's a part of it. Mm, all right. So what's our target from this trade is I just want to make $100 in this trade. Let's see if I can make it. Let me set this up. Okay, so my TP should be, that's not 100 actually, but there is a fair value gap in this candle. Mm, let's make $50, I think, maybe. That's achievable. That's very achievable for this trade actually in the short period of time. So that's my TP. Yeah, that it can be, it's achievable. What I can do is, if it comes to my break even, I can close the trade and just wait for this one to go a little bit up and grab this opportunity again. But if trade is open, let's keep it open for maybe a long period of time. So let's see if we can make $51 from this trade, or we can lose $600, which is my appetite to lose the money. So yeah, let's see what we are going to face in this trade. So okay, it's on my break-even price now, and we are just going to wait and see. Why did I open this one from the lower side? I don't know. I should have to wait for. Okay, I just follow the pattern. Yeah, it was just going up and just falling down. Okay, no worries. Sometimes big order blocks fills up and gives you uh, a good profit. I just keep posting like profitable videos because I preferably don't, not preferably, luckily, uh, I just I just got lucky. Sometime, most of the time, see guys, that's my order block. That was -$1. That was mistakenly closed the trade. I just closed the trade. So just grab small amount of profits instead of making big profits. See, these are the order blocks just fell $3. Yeah, sorry, -1. So just try to grab small profits. And for the intraday trade, yes, you can make good profit. What happened with me yesterday is, yeah, But all for that, if you stuck in some trade, then you need to wait for the long period of time. That kills me really. I don't feel good for that. Let's take small amount of profit, then stay away from the market. If your trade got stuck, you always just keep opening your exchange and see the trade. If trade goes right, wrong, right, wrong, right, wrong. So that gives you like panic, and that's what I don't want. I have been to. All right, so my truth order is in position now. So it came to that mark. Wow, very quickly. Oh wow, what a dip. Wow, what a big candle. You guys can see. Oh wow. What's going on? Stop, 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 stop. What a dip. You guys can see? See what's going on. See? Oh, wow, 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 wow. All right, let's see the 1 hour time frame. Oh, yes. Thank God I just opened with just $100. Wow. Just see what a big candle. Wow, wow, wow. It's just falling down. It's just falling down. It's just falling down. It's just falling down. See what's just happening. Even don't it doesn't have a big volume in this one. I so these are the surprises sometimes you get from the market. Like nobody can judge like for this candle. Okay, I just already placed it on the lower side of that time frame. But yeah, that was fun to watch actually. You guys have witnessed this one. So yeah, this happens. And I actually don't trade S&P 500, so I don't have uh, much information about stocks of Apple and somewhere like that. So for Apple, of course, it's a big company. If I would be there and I had a good understanding, I would definitely love to invest in big companies always. So it's a good sign, I must say. You can do that for the long period of time. So yeah, see guys, you guys just witnessed one funny thing here. This thing. This, my order was my order block was my position was here actually. I just took the position at very right mark, and it just fall down to wow, what a big fall. It's funny thing actually. It funny these funny thing happens in the market. Yes. Thank you, Blueberry, for your uh support. Okay. Moreover, see, it's a pushback. And maybe it can go way more down. And my strategy is to add same amount of money to do the DCA if price goes wrong to minus 70%. Yes, I will do that. So where is my open order positions? Okay, so my both of positions are not in a good shape. As usual, I must say. Well, no worries. We will see and witness some profit today. Hopefully, hopefully. May God be with us. All right. So what's going on here is, guys, you guys just click on the link in bio. So you guys can just connect with me on all my social platforms. I am just adding more social platforms. You can just join and let's build the community together. And yeah, there is a WhatsApp channel as well in that link. So in that channel, I preferably will start sending few signals every day, maybe two, three signals, maybe one signal. The trade what I will take, I will send in that. Yeah. So okay, it's a good sign, but not so good, maybe. Um, there is a okay. Another thing you can do is if you get your trade, if you are in position, if your position got into the profit size just like that, I am it's showing like me like $15. If you are in positive side, you can just put your stop loss at break even sometimes. But it happens here sometimes it just hit your stop loss and just goes to that mark where your TP should have to be. This happens with me most of the time. But that's the way actually you can just protect yourself. So you would still be in a safe zone at least. If it hits your SL, no worries, you can grab the position again. And if it goes wrong, then of course, just like yesterday, it happened with me, and the trade was closed today actually. So it can take a long period of time. So yeah, it happens. See, just like that, if I could have put my stop loss at my break even, so I would be my trade would have to be closed, would be closed now. But it's not done yet, so that's what sorry. So it's this is what we are just going to witness here. My TP is just $50. Just try to grab small amount of profit instead of making big one. So that's the way we can do. Okay, there's a good pushback. And why is this happening is okay. No worries. We can just see. We can just witness this one maybe. All right. Let's see. Mm, oh, there's a good pushback. What I will do is I will do DCA if my price if my this position goes negative side on negative 70%. So that's my strategy. Don't follow that. Crypto is already it's very volatile market. My trading is just for fun. Don't follow the trading strategy. What I'm just doing it. Just learn first, then of course you can earn. And of course you can just click on the bio. There's a link in description as well, so that's the way we can just you can just join my community. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so for now it's a pushback. You see guys, if I could have put my stop loss here, then my trade would be closed now, and I could have take the short position from here again, but I'm just letting this position to be open for now. So maybe we can grab just small amount of profit. Don't fall for the big profits always. Just try to grab small profits instead of making big one. So yeah. All right, righty right. What what's going on? What's going on? Okay. What's going on the wrong side? Okay, 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 let it go for now. Let it go. If this one crosses this mark, then I should have to be worried about doing the DCA. But for now, let's wait. See. So here is the rejection. So here is resistance for now, for this specific time frame, for this specific period of time, actually, I must say. Yes. So if it crosses this support, then it can go up a little bit more. Okay, and let's see, let's wait and see. If you guys have any question, you guys can just write me in the comment section as well. Hmm. Hmm. That's not a good sign, actually. Hmm. Okay, no worries. See, guys, that's what is the resistance for this specific movement. And if it crosses this one, it can go a little bit more up, but that could have been a fake breakout. Then it can fall down, and the top position of today. So I don't know. There are not big much chances for this one to go a little bit more because it's already on the higher side of today's price. What we need to do is we can just wait for now and let's see the other position. See guys, this big fall uh gave me an opportunity to open the position, and we are in good shape now. And what should be the TP? Let's put the TP somewhere around here. It's just $40. Oh yeah, I just opened it with like $100. So okay, let's grab $40 from this trade. Don't make big money, just make small money. Okay, if we would be able to get this mark, yeah, that's achievable maybe, but not sure. That was a good position if it falls to 0.00954. Oh, wow. We see the 1 day time frame, it's already on the lower side, so it will go way up, of course, somewhere, maybe someday. If you see from last like 7, 8, 10 days, it's just more hovering around at this position. It's just newly listed coin, so and if it's just hovering around to some on the lower side, I personally do that. I personally trade in such kind of meme coins, so they always give me good profit. I always make good money in these kind of coins. So yes, it is just like that. um yes, thank you so much for your likes and comments. I feel honored. Okay, so we are in a position right now, and let's see. Let's see if this trade goes in a good shape. Okay, our other trade is stuck as it happened yesterday. I am not in the favor of opening the short positions always. I feel bad for myself sometimes. Well, no worries, it's a part of it. And there are chances for this one to come down, maybe. What do you think, guys? Should I have to close this trade? And this, should I close this, or just keep it continue, maybe? Hmm. Let's see the 15 minutes time frame. Oh wow. Let's see the 5 minutes time frame. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. It can fall down to 0.00189, somewhere around there, 90. But maybe it will take some time to go at this position. I think, let's see the 1 hour time frame. Hmm. Our TP is on the right mark actually, but see here I have just opened the long position, and on the other pair I have opened the short position, and both are just going on the wrong side. So it's not always like what's the 1 day? Sorry, yeah, 1 day. Let me show you for this one. Okay, so it's already on the lower side of its price. Yeah, so see, this is the, I'm just getting a lot of, see, that's the moment. It's very volatile coin, and it's already on the lower side of its price, so it's a good sign for intraday trade, I must say. If we can wait for maybe a long period of time, so we can make good money. Yeah, yeah, it's a good support somewhere. I just took the position from here, but I don't know if I'm right or wrong. Maybe I have yeah, we just made $20 yesterday. We could have make like $300 on my TP. I just moved my TP uh to just $20. And that's what we uh okay. Okay, let's see. We just try to grab. What my target is, I already have made $190 today. So my target is to make just $300. So which is like 1% of my portfolio. Just try to grab just small profits instead of making big. And yes, let's see. What you can do is actually, if you are new to crypto and just want to invest your real money instead of doing the demo trades, so oh, sorry, instead of doing the demo trades, so you can do is just it's not financial advice actually. It's if I would be there, I could have what's this happening. Okay, it's the USDT. Okay, but I was just got confused. Okay, so you can use your isolated margin instead of using your uh, cross margin. If you are new and you don't understand the patterns, but you want to invest for your real money, but I strongly not recommending that. I just suggest you guys to just perform like trading is not that tough actually. It's very easy thing to do. But all you need to do is just to understand. It's just like gym. You need to just have determination to do that every day. And for determination, sometimes you need to wait. If somebody is doing that exercise and you need your dumbbells or just machine to use, and you have to just wait for the right time to get that machine. So that's what trading is actually. You need to wait, you need to select the right position to enter the position as in this position which is open in front of you now. I just placed the order, a limit order, to grab that position, and it just luckily it just happened. It one big fall just took my position because I just took the position because of this support actually, this one. So it's just hovering around to that position. So that's why I've just placed. So sometimes you need to wait. You need to just wait and see, and just don't grab every opportunity. Don't grab every candle. So just wait, grab the opportunity, but just for the right, wait for the right opportunity actually. So that's what I suggest you guys. Um, yeah. Do you guys have any question? I would love to respond to you guys. Okay, so yeah. Uh, This position could be in my favor, for maybe it can take a little bit more time to be profitable. But we could have opened the short position from here, but I was not in favor of opening the short position. Okay, let's see this position. Yeah, this one is just like hovering to that, and my TP is $50. Yeah, $50. Maybe we can just grab a $50 from this trade. There are good chances. If you see the pattern, it's just shift. The momentum is shifting from this momentum. No, maybe it can go up, but my TP is very good and very achievable, I must say. And I can close the trade. It's positive $20 now. So see, there is a support somewhere around here. So it's just stuck at this mark, trying to fill the orders from here. Let's see. Just go a little bit, just to this mark. Then I will wait for the next one. Uh, I am in the favor of opening the long positions instead of using the short positions on such kind of coins which are already on the lower side of their prices. That's what I do actually. Um, Sometimes you need to wait, sometimes you need to just do quick decision. Just like it's $20 positive now, I can close this here, but I'm not going to do it. Yeah, that's what it is. Okay, so we need to wait and sit and just relax and see if we are sorry, I just my YouTube is also live. You guys just can, if you are using the YouTube, then you can just see me on YouTube as well. I think my live session is, yes, it's live. People are, very few people are just watching. You, I don't know, people, not much people are using YouTube. Okay. So guys, there is a link in description as well. You can just click on that in the bio. So that's the way you can connect with me as well, and you can join the community. So in that community, there are a lot of things going on, and yeah, we are just starting building the community. Oh wow, wow, wow! You guys just witnessed $50. What a luck actually. What a luck. Yeah, see guys, where's the transaction history? Okay, so I have just made $52. Okay, I got lucky in this one. Where it was closed at 0.1723. Oh, wow. That was lucky actually. See, yeah, these big candles are, I love these th things. Sometimes if it goes wrong, of course I will hate it. But uh, Mad Mess, sorry, I currently actually yeah, I should suggest you guys. I recommend you to just if you have appetite, if it goes wrong, maybe you can just keep it continue. Uh, but one other thing is uh, take your like you can put your stop loss at to your break even. If something bad happens, then at least you would be in safe position. So, but do I trade is actually I perform different like meme coins. So this one is the coin. You guys can see the name. So uh, this was the coin actually. I just took the short position from here and just closed this one to here. Just made $50 on top of using 500, no, sorry, $300. So it was just like 10-15% of the trade. uh, thank you so much for your gifter badge. Thank you. Actually, I am new to TikTok. I'm not using it much, but just trying to post some short videos every day. Thank you so much for following me. In fact, moreover, yes, you guys can click on the link in bio to be a part of my community. It would be a great honor for me to be with you guys. And moreover, just I am more of like uh, what should I say? Motivational speaker instead of a trader. I always mention people just please start doing with demo trades. Please, if you are new, please don't do the with your real money because I have been through a very bad days. Yes, it happens if you want to make money in a very quick way. Yes, you can make it and okay, Mad Max or Mad Maze. Sorry, how should I pronounce this? Okay, it's nice. It's nice to see your comments. Um, it's good. Like crypto markets and share market it's a very good thing to make quick money, but it's the same thing where you can quickly lose your money. So first 2 years was very depressing for me. I was in some kind of depression at that point. I was trying to make strategies. I was just trying to follow the patterns. I was just following a lot of multiple indicators. I even bought few indicators. Like I have paid like few dollars. Like it's not that much on the higher prices, but I paid even I tried to pay few courses buying few courses, learn from people. But for of course what I have but what was that actually what is actually matter is your strategy, your own appetite of making money. What you want to make 1% of your capital, and just what you can afford to lose is 2% of your capital. It's not always being happening like you are just going to lose every trade. No, it's not happening. Even from since last year, I'm losing my negative trades are maybe less than 10%, maybe. Yeah, not more than that. So that means if less than 10% is 2% of losing every trade, and so that means I am 70% positive if we consider that. Less than 10%, multiply by 2, 2% of that, and plus add 10%. So yeah, still 70% positive. So it's a good thing actually, I must say. What you need to do is just set your appetite, like how much the money you can afford to lose in one trade, how much the money you can invest in one trade, you can just use to open one trade. And I suggest you guys try to open the position with 1% of your capital using 5x or 10x leverage, not more than that. If you're new to that, if you are, of course, pro trader and old trader and making some money, yes, you should. I think you don't need to understand what I'm saying. You are already know it. So yes, that's it for now. And yeah, I'm just trying to see if I can grab another opportunity to open the trade for you guys. Okay, so let's see the other one. What's my other position? Okay, so my other position, this one is on the long. Yeah, it will go for sure up on the upside, but it will take a little bit long time maybe, because these big candle, it's a fair value gap over here, and it just try to fill back at again, but it's not happening for now. Maybe it will take maybe half hour or 30 minutes, well, yeah, 1 hour maybe, or it can take up to a 1 day as well. So yeah, its lower price was 24 hours, high was 0.0102. Yeah, it's a good price. And the lower was 0.0092. So we are on near to the lower side already. So maybe it will go for sure up, but what we can do is we can just wait and see, and just yeah, you guys can just click on the link in bio to join my community, and there we are just going to, yeah, we are just starting building the community. And I preferably just um, send some of like signals every day, maybe 2 3 signals. The trades which I will perform, I will send the signals in that trade. We are just actually, I just started live sessions just when I got, my plan was my if my 2025 would be in profit, I will start performing the live sessions for everybody. And that's free of cost. Nothing you need to pay. You don't need to pay anything to anybody. You do it by yourself. Don't pay any penny to anyone. Please don't do that. Do it by yourself, and just do it. You can do it. Anybody. If I can do it, I am very dumb in managing things, finances. I don't know. I have done the masters in finance, but I don't say that I'm pro trader. But my last year was very good, profitable, and that's what I just want you guys to make some money. My I it's 2026 is my fourth year now, so it's fourth year just started. I started in 2022, 3, 4, 5, 2023. Yeah, 20 start from 2023, from maybe February or January, maybe. I don't remember exactly. And my 2 years were in a great loss. I was just in trouble. I was just having very bad position at that time, just adding money and losing money, adding money, losing it, and adding money and losing it, just trying to grab, do the DCA like after every 30 minutes. Okay, let's do DCA, let's do DCA, get the price, get the percent of coins falls down, and just it's just kicks me away. So it happened me like multiple times, maybe like hundreds of times. So what, but now, since last year, I made a very good strategy for myself. What I'm using is actually, I'm just trying to yeah, sorry. Okay, what I my let me explain it. My strategy is, I open the trade with 1% of my capital, uh, and I keep another 1% to do the DCA. Previously, I was using my isolated margin instead of using my spot. But now I can use my spot margin. But my appetite is to lose 2% of my capital. Your appetite should be somewhere how much money you can afford to lose. That's the way you can just make it. And that's my pro tip actually. What I follow actually. If I make like and my daily target is now actually my portfolio is big now. So I just try to make 1% every day. It's not very big and just compound some money. And one more thing, another thing I should have to mention here. Whenever you double your capital, just withdraw your actual money from the market. Put it in your bank, use it, enjoy it with your family, eat everything whatever you want. Just take it out from the market. Don't give it to anybody. Like don't give it to someone else. Instead of that, just keep it in your pocket and just enjoy that, or just save it for later and do the trade the money you made from the market. That's I'm like what I have already mentioned earlier. Like I'm more of like um yeah uh okay. So yeah, that's what I do actually. Okay. So moreover, this trade is just on. Okay. Uh, one guy was asking me how you select the coin. Actually, what my strategy? That's my strategy. Don't follow that. Actually, you can do your own research on that. What I do is I see the coin, every coin, whatever I choose to trade, I see the coin on the lower side of its price already. So that means there are good chances for that one to go up for sure. And I made very good money. At this strategy I made from last year, and I'm still in profitable. Sometimes it goes wrong, my trade goes wrong. I preferably open the long positions always. For today, I just opened a short position. I made $50 in front of you guys. I was having a good conversation. Yeah, wow. Mad Maze. Yeah, it's a good strategy. Yeah, you can make like I have seen people like making showing people like, oh wow, we have double our profit, we have double our capital in just one trade. Yes, people are doing it, and same way they are losing it, they are not showing it. So, if I'm losing something, I will show you guys. Even yesterday, my trade was stuck, and I showed I because the session was long, so I told you guys, okay, I will show you my loss tomorrow. So my loss was not there. Even I was in profit of $200 because I just analyzed the market. Market was in favor, and after just closing the session, my stop loss was $600 negative. That's the 2% of my capital. That's what I was just planning to lose. Well, luckily it happened with me, and if something bad is going to happen, I will show you guys for sure. So my strategy is to make just 1% max, maybe more than 1%. So minimum 1% at least, or make whatever you want, but make your own plan, make your own strategy, make your own like discipline. So and keep following that. Uh, Crypto market or trading market or golds, anything, whatever you do, it's like very attractive market. It's try to grab cash. If you open your application, it will ask you, okay, let's trade once more. And if you're still in profit, it will call you again. Okay, let's trade once more. Don't fall for that. It's very attractive market. Just open Facebook, YouTube, do any other thing. Don't trade much, and don't spend all of your time doing trading. Just grab small amount of profits every day. So that's my learning actually since last 3 years. What I have learned from the market, and market gives you back, but the people who follow their disciplines, not the people fall for every trade. So yeah, yeah, that's what my strategy is, and I just keep following this strategy, and thank thank God I'm in a good shape now. After losing a lot of money, now I have made a good profit. So just compounding my capital and just withdrawing few for my livings and stuff and enjoying my activities. Yeah, do it. Anybody can do it. but just try to uh, be safe, guys. Uh, it's a hard money. So it's a hard-earned money. If you are doing anything else, physical efforts and making money, don't lose this on trading. At least I just want my community at least to not lose even a single penny. Just try, if you are new to strategy, new to um, crypto or trading, just try to do on demo trades. I strongly recommend you guys, whenever you understand the market, whenever you understand the candlesticks, whenever you understand the support, resistance, indicators, RSI, EMA, there are thousands of things you have to understand first. So just don't like don't one another thing, I have seen the people, they are just following the pattern. Oh, it's head and shoulder. Oh, it's falling candles. Oh, it's up can uh, there are a lot of multiple things. I just follow RSI is the best friend of mine since last year. I have made a good, it's a free indicator in every exchange they offer it. Just click on that, set its value to 5. If we are doing the short-term scalping, for the long-term scalping, yes, you can use up 10 to 14. That's the value you can set from here. Actually, you can see that's a 5. So uh, just one, I use one indicator. I don't use EMA, MA. It's a good indicator. EMA also gives you a good sign, but for the long term trades, for not for the short term trades. I do scalping, so I just use RSI, just see the pattern, see the market, and just take my profit out of the market and stays away, and just watch TV, have fun with kids, and enjoy your family time. Yeah, don't open your application again. That's what I do actually. Yes. Thank you so much for following me. It's a great honor for me to be a part of your like community as well. So even for you guys to be a part of my community, it's a great honor for me. Let's build community together. Let's make everybody profitable, and just slowly, slowly, not making your capital double just in a single day. Just make your capital double maybe in 1 month, maybe 2 months, maybe 3 months, instead of losing like just like me. I was losing my 2 years. Every single day I was losing money. So but it gave me like good understanding of the market now. And yeah, sometimes it happens. Sometimes like you, if you understand the market and the market takes you down, yeah, it happens. It's very volatile market. Anybody can fall for uh the losses and profits. Of course, people are making big profits. Even I made good profit, and people are losing money. Even I've lost good money from last 2 years. First 2 years of my trading futures. I was in crypto since last 2027. Yeah, 2017. When the BTC was around $8,000 and it went to $22,000. I just bought 2 BTC at that time. Well, that was a good time. And just sold all of them, and then converted all of them, all of my BTC to all my meme coins, shit coins, something like that. So and then BTC falls down to $3,000 somewhere around there, and my portfolio went down, and I was just waiting to see. Okay, but that was on spot buying actually. Spot is one another thing if you want to invest for a long period of time, but not now actually. So I waited for a long period of time, maybe like 3 years, maybe 3 4 years. I just waited for the long period of time. Then the market gets better. Then when my price came to my break even, so I just sold everything and stayed out from the market. Then I started doing futures from last 3 years. And now I made this one my main income stream as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for your gifter badge. It's an honor for me. And okay, so we are just in another trade. I just wanted to perform. Okay, one other thing I should have to mention it again. Like, don't open multiple positions. I just did it because I have a very big capital. If you are using small amount of capital, just try to grab very small uh, positions and try to open small positions. I have just opened the two positions and one was in profit. Okay, let's see the position of that one actually. Okay, yes, that's a 1 minute time frame. Okay, it's still going down. Okay. Yeah, it will fall down for sure. Maybe a little bit more, but I will open the long position. I have just drawn, sorry. Let me show you. I will open the long position from 0.168. Maybe if we would not be able to open the long position in this live session, maybe. But today, if the price comes to that mark, I will open the long position again, 0.168 maybe, maybe somewhere around there. But that totally depends upon the market movement. I will see the BTC movement. Oh, why we did not see the BTC? Yeah, we just forgot to see. BTC is just okay. So BTC's today's high was 91,773 and the lowest was 89,000. So it's just moving between $2,000 gap. Okay. 1,600 now. So yes. Um, because of the BTC movement, the fair index also going towards the grid. So it's on the 40 mark, which is a good sign for the long positions actually. But if you get a good position, then of course, yeah, this one is not okay. Can we open the long position from here? For the 1 hour time frame, no, I'm not in the favor of opening the long position from here. But if we see the 15 minutes time frame, no, big no. Yes, but no, not this one actually. Let's leave it for now. This pair is in danger. And let's talk about this one. I can open the short position again from here, but I'm not going to open short position. I'm not in the favor of short positions, at least for now. I have just made 50. Okay, that's enough for me. So my target is just about to be complete. Just after closing my this trade if it goes to positive side. Maybe not. That totally depends. Like if we are all right, guys. So let me. Is there any filter on my screen? I don't know. Maybe. So guys, that's what I was just telling you guys to just make small profits instead of losing your money. And let me set this up for you guys. Okay, moreover, uh, so today we have made a 200 and around $40, which is good actually. Sorry guys. Oh, the kids are outside, so sorry if you are just hearing something. Well, that's a part of life. It's a very beautiful part of life. Okay, so yes, we are going to. Okay. Mm, Uh, yes. Okay, let me show you my screen again. Uh, I hope you guys can see it now. Okay, so my this position is not this position actually. Hmm. Favorites, truth. Okay, so it's just hovering around to my break even actually. What we can do is we can just close our trade here, but I just hate Mac. Okay, so what's going on here? So guys, see, it's just hovering around to my break even, which is a good sign for maybe a long period of time. Maybe we need to wait for few minutes. Uh, thank you so much for your gifter badges. It's a great honor for me. Okay, guys, there's a link in description in bio. You can just click on the link to join my community. We are just starting building the community and we are just growing day by day. All I want is my community to make some profit. Please join my community and happy trading, guys. Just learn first, then you can earn. Instead of putting your real money, start doing with the demo accounts. And crypto is a very volatile market, so be safe, guys. This video, this live session is just for information and entertainment and for fun. Don't follow my trades. Do your own research before you trade. And yes, let's hope for this trade the best. The price is already on the lower side of its price. Maybe, yeah, it can fall down a little bit, but it will for sure go up. On the other hand, we can do DCA, but where I will do DCA if my this trade goes on the negative side. So on negative 70%, I will do the DCA. So that's the way I can just increase the price again. I don't know what's going on with the YouTube. So on YouTube, I'm not getting views. What's happening? Let me just check. Okay, so YouTube is very moving very slow. All right. So yes, you guys can see. Okay, so what's going on here? Okay. Uh, yes. What we need to do is we need to wait and see if we can make some profit from this trade. It's just moving on the better sides. Mm, okay, let's see. The price is should I do DC now? But I'm not in favor of doing it. I don't know. Not now actually. We need to wait. That's what I have learned from the market from since last 3 years. All you need to just control on your emotions and just wait for the right time to do the right thing. And sometimes it takes time. Instead of like losing your money and just waiting and just watching your wrong trades, just try to grab a positive trade. So yeah. Okay, let me open the other trade for now. And yeah, let me open this position actually. Let me set the position for now. It's from 0.006. So I'm just going to limit the order 0.00, 0.06880. So I'm just going to open a long position using 1%. Oh yeah, almost 1% of my capital. So that's my limit order is placed. Let's see if we can. Okay. Alright, guys. So here we go. We are in the for this one. I think we should wait at least. Surely it will fall down a little bit more, but I just want to wait for a little bit more long because see if you guys see the pattern of this coin, this is what's happening, and it's just moving on the upper side. Uh, my position is my limit order is on very right mark, and let's talk about 1 hour. If we see the 1 hour time frame, so you guys can see the 1 hour time frame. So it falls to 0.0046 maybe on 20 on 8th of December, and just moving back up to this 0.76, then just moved up and then just moved up, then just moved up and just moved up. And before that, if you see it, it went up and just fall down. That's the 1 hour time frame and falls down. I took this position actually in this candle once, October, yeah, 10th October when everything was falling down, and I closed my position. Where did I close my position? Yeah, it was. I made good profit in that one. Sorry, actually, guys, I have a sour throat. Not feeling good today. So this one is just falling down. Yeah. So next fall could have been to somewhere around here, here. 0.0092 may be the next stop. It can be. And if this trade goes wrong, I will show you guys how I will do the DCA and how I got my price. down. So let's wait and see if things goes right. Okay. So in the meanwhile, okay. Yeah, see, that's the momentum actually. That's the moment of coin, this one. Yeah, there are good chances for this one to go up to my. I just want to increase the position size, but not now actually. Maybe I will wait for a little bit long. Okay, so yeah, 2 hours. Uh, yes. Oh, okay. All right, guys. So the price is just moving up a little bit. Let me just. Okay. Mm, mm. So, guys, our community is just uh building on very speed today. Actually, I have got a good followers on my WhatsApp channel as well. So guys, you can just click on the link in bio. Just join my WhatsApp channel as well. There are a lot of things happening in over there. So I will share the link of the referral link of this exchange. You guys just click on the link and just can have a $50 free bonus upon your registration, which you can utilize to perform your futures trade. It's a good thing. You guys can just enjoy that. I'm sorry. Moreover, let's see. Hmm. So this trade is just like uh not sure. Okay, let's take another trade. Let's talk about this one. Oh, wow. What do you think, guys? Should we open the long position from here? Let's see the 1 hour time frame. I think we can open the long position, but we need to wait, I think. What do you think, guys? I think okay. Let's open the long position in this one. 5 minutes. What I am going to do is I am going to open a long position from here using $200 maybe. Using my 12%. Okay, it's maximum 15, 20%. Sorry guys. Okay, so what I'm going to do is open a long position of using $200, and I am in position and just want to grab maybe 50, 30, 40, $50. That's very small money actually. Let's try to grab $30 from this trade. So I just put my TP on very realistic price. Let me show you the position actually. So there is no liquidity showing right now. Let me refresh this for you guys. Long positions using the coins on the lower side, uh, most of time doesn't show you liquidity. So because it's already on the lower side of their prices, so there are very, very, very less chances for such kind of coins to be on zero side zero. But that's the way. That's that's why what I have learned. I have seen a lot of people doing long short trades, but I always just the nobody told us like ever. Okay, use such kind of coins, hunt those kind of coins which are on the lower side of their prices, and just grab your share from that. Nobody told us ever, ever. So that's what I have learned in my 3 years of futures trading. So, and first 2 years was very in my learning phase and very tough for sure it was. And last 2025 was very good year of mine. And that's why I just started using live sessions for you guys to make some money. So yeah, that's it. We are in this position. We can put. I just took the long position because I have just seen this support at here. Maybe it's not right, but hopefully it will be right. We are hoping for the best. There is no big volume in this one actually as well. So maybe it can fall down a little bit more, but surely it's going back up. And this one is just falling down, down, down. And we will do DCA at 0.0092. Yeah. What was the lower? 0.009252. So 0.0093 we can perform the DCA at 0.0093. Yeah. We have entered the position 0.009657. So okay. Okay, let's see if everything goes right or wrong. Okay. See, the position is just in place, and we are. Thank you. Okay, so what's going on here is uh yes, 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 yes. Let me see another thing. My DP is here. I can make $120 in this one here. Okay, so my this trade could have It can be converted to intraday trade because if you guys see, there are chances for this one to go up to at least this price. Yes, for sure it will go to this mark, but maybe it will take some time. Yeah, it's see it's already on the lower side of its price. So these kind of coins, all you need to do is just select and just take one trade and just keep it and let it go maybe for some period of time. And if something goes, if one big pump and you can make like months of profits in just one trade as well. Yeah, it happened with me like twice last year. So that's why it grew. I just expectedly to put some profit my position at a good price and made a good profit yesterday. In like 3 or 4 trades, it happens with me. It happened with me actually. And what we are going to do is we are just waiting. So yes, maybe the next 1 hour, I would love to stay online with you guys and show you if my trade goes right or wrong. So let's talk about it. So I have opened two positions. This one is just hovering around my break even, and the other one was my limit order, so it filled right away and goes wrong. But not wrong actually, it will go for sure up. And what we need to do is we need to wait for the long period of time, maybe. Okay, let's talk about H actually, with the other coin, which we were just performing the live trade before. Yeah, it's just moving back. Wow. Wow. Now there is a chance for opening a short position again, but I'm not going to open the short position. I have just made $50 from this trade. Yeah, there are good chances. There are very good chances again for me to open the short position. I don't know. I don't know. I just want to open a position. It's a very good sign. Very good sign to open the short position. I don't know what should I do. Uh, you guys can suggest me. RSA is a very good favor and in a very good favor. Yes. Everything is in favor to open the short position. But opening short is just like gives me panic. If something big is just going to happen with here, then I'm just out from the market. I already made like 250, $40 today. I don't want to lose this. I don't know. Should I? It's a very good sign. Very good sign to open the short position. Maybe somewhere around 0.1756. I don't know. What do you think, guys? You guys can just suggest me in the comment section as well. So it's in a good shape now actually. I can open. There is a support. There is a resistance facing from here. Yeah. So it's facing resistance at this mark. And if it would not be able to cross this line, then it's just falling down just like this. Here. So yeah, it's possible. It can be. So let's see if we are making good profit in this one. Uh, should I open the short position? I don't know. Very much confused. My two positions are already in process. I think I should have to wait maybe. Yeah, I think I can open the short position, but let's wait for 3, 4 candles more. So that can give us a good understanding. 3, 2, 3, 4 candles can open the short position, or we should have to wait for the right time. Opening long from this mark is not a good sign. But yes. Let's see if we can. Yes, we are. Okay, let me set up the amount already. So using, okay, let's use $250 using 20x and but I just want this one to let it go a little bit more on the higher side. So that's the point I can open the short position again. I just want to make another $50 and just stay away from the market. Oh, yes. There is a rejection. That's the line I have just drawn here is a resistance line. For this one to go up, there are big order blocks here, so they are just the buyers are just trying to fill that order, but sellers are strong on this mark. And if it falls down, then it will come to at least this mark, at least somewhere around here. Yeah. So let's see if we can make if we can grab this opportunity. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, it's going up. It's going up. And we will open the short position from here, where I have just put my cursor. If it's going up a little bit, then I will open the short position. Even if it's not going up. See, these wicks, that means there is a big order block here. So I can open the short position from here as well. So let's open the short position and wait and see if everything goes right or wrong. I am using $250 and we are performing this on my live account. So if it goes wrong, you guys will see, and if it goes right, you guys will see. But there is a clear indication that there is a rejection at this mark, and that's where you have to decide, okay, what you need to do is, and uh, and let's hope for the best if we can. Oh, don't go up, don't go up, Lord. You were getting rejection? Yes, just get more rejection from here and just fall down a little bit more. That's the mark, actually. That's the mark. It can go up to this mark, but will for sure fall down. But it can go up at least. It's not going to be, but not sure for now. But it will fall down. If it falls down, then it's going way more down. And if it's going up, then it's going up. So we are three positions in opening, open three, we have open three open positions. It's just like very less amount of, okay, wait. Yeah, everything I will do, every trade in positive today. I will show you guys stay with me. Okay, so let's set TP somewhere around. Oh wow, that's very achievable. It's $50. Okay, I'm just using actually, yeah, 20x, which is very good amount of money. That's why it's showing less amount now. And okay, Okay, guys, trade is in process. We want $50 from this trade as well. Let's see if we can grab it. Just get another rejection, then it will fall down for sure. Maybe it can take like 10 minutes, maybe. Uh, so yes, we can make some good profit from this one as well. Okay. So it's just hovering around to my break even. All of my trades are just hovering around my break even. So I think I have a good understanding for opening the position, but maybe it can go wrong. Whenever I say that, I always get stuck. So I'm not going to say that. And let's see. Okay, so what is it? Okay. It's just moving around my break even. I just don't want this one to. Oh, it's just moving up. Okay, let's wait and see. Uh, this is my short position. These are my long positions. So everything are just in red. See, at least if these are just going on the wrong side, at least this should have to be. Well, this happens. No worries. What I will do is I will do DCA. You guys already know how I will do the DCA. And where would I do that? I will show you. Okay, okay. I have entered the position at 0.175. Okay, it's a good price. And if it will fall down to this price, then I would have make around $80. Let's make 70. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's see where does it takes me. Where is it going? Wet? Yeah, it's just falling down. I don't want this live session to be closed in negative today, at least. I already have made $240. Yes. But let's see. If everything goes right, then yeah, that's the rejection point. You will see. If it crosses this one, then it can go way more up. Yes. It's already on the higher side of today's price and getting the momentum of this one. But I will do DCA on the negative 70% of my trade and we'll wait and see how it goes. Hmm. So let's see if it gets a rejection from there. There are big order blocks over there, sellers order blocks. So if they sell more, there are big order blocks, then the price will definitely going to fall down, of course. 76176661. Okay. 176. Uh, let me reduce this one. 17666. Mm, 17654. Yeah, 1766 has a very good resistance point. 1766. Yes, 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 it is. It will go up and it will fall down because there is not big. 175556. Let me confirm you guys. 1755 is the 1755 is the support. Wow. My break even is the could be support, and 1766 is has a good 1768 also. 766. No, it will go a little bit more up. It seems like, yeah. 62, 62. If you see the rejection, there are big order blocks. If you you guys can see the order book as well. So that's the way you can just decide, okay, where is the next rejection. If we see 1778 and 1775, 1775, 16, what is it? Yeah, it should have to get rejection from here. Yeah, yeah, it will get some rejection from 0.178, then it will fall down somewhere around there. Yes, it will. Sure. Sure it will. And let's see. Okay, 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 okay. Please get some rejection. Don't fill this order block. 0.178. Don't fill it. If it will not fill this one, it's 1.3, 1.4 million, then yes. If it will fill that one, then I am in trouble. Trouble, trouble, trouble. Yeah, it's on open orders. Huh? What open orders? Open positions, yes. Mm, 21%. No, it's very in the safe hands. You guys will see the clear rejection from this mark. If there is not a big, oh wow, 0.175 could be could be the big could be the big support. 0.175, where is my, yeah. Now it will take some time for me to close the trade. Okay, let's see if we can get this one done at the right time. Okay, okay, okay. 50, 11, 19. See the rejection 178 is the rejection point. It should be 178. Yeah, this candle 0.178 17742 is in 178. So there should be a clear rejection from this point at least. So that's the way, and the order blocks are 172. Why it's a big order block there down there? I don't know. No, not that big actually. Yeah, 178. If it crosses this one, then 179. Wow, guys, see on the higher side of today's price. 0.177556. So 24 hours high is 17756. 51, sorry. Let's see if it gets some rejection from this mark. 179, 180. No, there are no big order blocks on top of that. So maybe. We are just waiting. We are just waiting. We are just waiting. We will do DCA. Of course, we will do it, but at minus 70% of my trade. So if my trade goes wrong to some, why just it's happening? Why it's just happening from here? So let's wait for now, I think. Yeah. Okay, okay. So what do we have here is, let me edit this one. Sorry, guys. Okay, okay. So I am just going to, oh, wow, 178. Should I do DCA now? Mm, 180. 180 would be the mark where I will do DCA and will show you guys how yeah, 180 is good price. You guys will witness this one, and this one will just fall down very crazily. Of course, it's already on the higher side. Yeah. I just want to do DCA now, but that's the way I can. I will not follow my strategy. So, see, I could have to DCA, then my price should be somewhere around here, and I could have closed my trade, but no, no. Hmm. Okay, let's get this one a clear-cut rejection at this mark. Yeah, see, it's just falling down. So I have a great hope for this one, maybe. Hmm. DCA from here could be dangerous for now because if we see the order blocks on the right side actually. What we need to do is we need to wait. So yes, let's see what we get from this trade. On the other hand, two other trades are just hovering around my break even. So yeah, it's just happening. Okay. So I am going to limit my order again. Uh, 180, 180, and using my position size was $250. So I will use $250 to open the short position again. So that's why I don't trade short position. I hate it really. I hate it. I just did hurry because I was just getting bored with you guys. You guys were also just not fi having a good site for this live session. So I just did a little bit hurry to open the short position. I never, why I did this? Well, no worries. That's a part of it. Actually, it gives me like say it takes some time to open the position, but yeah, it's part of it. So yeah, we can just set if we can. So there is a rejection. If this candle does not close in the green and does not cross previous red one, so I can do DCA, but I don't want to. Uh, if it crosses this one, then our DCA price is very on the right side. Okay, okay, it's good. So it's on the good side. It's on the good position right now. And let's see. Let it go on the upper side. Maybe. So we are just waiting for the right time. Okay, yeah, there is a rejection, guys. So what we can do is we can open the short position. We can open the short position again from there, but I don't know. That's the way we can do DCA. Let me remove this line actually. And this has nothing to do with us now. And this one is also my entry price is the key support level right now. And what we need to do is we need to wait, and see if we can grab to do the DCA. So DCA is on the, yeah, it's on the very right mark. Then 20, yes, let's wait. Let's wait. Okay, okay, okay. So we are in my previous two trades are just hovering around my break even, just moving around there. So just wanted to, I will close them on like must be break even on just small profits. Let's do this because we are stuck in this one. I just don't want to lose big amount of money, the money I have made today. Yeah, there's another study you could just make if you made some profit and same amount of money you can lose. That's the way you just wasted your time in that day. So that's what I don't want it. Of course, you should just make your appetite to open or close your positions. Okay, okay, okay. Sorry. Hmm. Uh, Track to modify. Yeah. There is a rejection point. But let's keep my this order there as it is. Let's see if we can make some of the profit in this. Okay, okay, okay. Everything looks good now, for now at least. And we will see. Yeah, we will see if things goes right. Yes, another thing we can do is let me remove this line. So that's where the my live sessions, previous live sessions, you guys can just come and YouTube, you guys can also join my live sessions as well. It's the same thing, but you guys can have a better view on YouTube as well. So yes. And there is a rejection, I think, out there, here somewhere. And what we want to do is we are just waiting for. Let's wait, guys. I don't want to do DCN now, actually. For now, maybe I should have to wait. These two are just very moving around to my break even, almost $6, $7. And this one is minus $100. Let this break this level. If this one breaks this level, then it will touch this point for sure. And if it's not going to do that, and these empty wicks are the clear rejection point. So yes, there is a resistance at this mark, at least 0 point. Yeah, so, at 97 is it's a rejection point, but 7 it is just filling up, healing up, and 7 9 is just going to be 7 9 and 8 0 9. Yeah, it's going up. It's going up. It's going up. You will see. If it does not fill this order block, then it will go up a little bit more. Guys, crypto market is very volatile market. Do your own research before you enter the trade. It's a very volatile market. Wow, just filled the orders from downside. That's a good sign actually. And do your own research. This live session is just to inform, just for fun, just to have you overview. Um, it's not a financial advice, not a financial um, like suggestion. Just do your own research before you enter the trade. That's what I always mention. Just keep safe, yourself safe. Try if you are new to crypto, just try to perform the trades on the demo accounts first. Then you can use the on your real accounts. Yeah. Okay. The start of the session was very good. Actually, we have just grabbed small amount of profits in the start of session, but now actually I'm not feeling good. See, this one is just hovering around to. I'm just going to close this one actually. I'm just not feeling good for this one. Just making. It's just making me. There is no much volume in this one. Maybe it can go up. We can make like few dollars. But let's close it for now. Just be positive. Be positive. Be positive. Uh, Go a little bit up so I can close you. So that covers my fee. Mm, yes, I am going to close it. Okay, I have just closed it. So let's keep one trade open at a time. Just trying to close this one as well. Let's close this one as well. It's just also moving. But I have a good feeling for this one actually. But did I put my TP somewhere around there? Yeah, I have put my TP. It's on the very higher side. Mm, I don't know if I can be able. The TP is on very higher side. I think we should just reduce it to. That's very low. $40 is good. Okay. Okay, so this one is on the $40 and the other one is on 50 $60, but if it goes right, but we are already stuck at that mark. We have set the DCA price here, and if it goes right, then my entry price should be around somewhere 176, so 0.176, somewhere around there. Yes. Mm, yeah, 1758, somewhere around there. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Okay, okay, okay. It's already on negative 80. I don't like it. So one trade I just have just closed on break even. I just wanted to close every position in front of you guys. Just don't want to keep it continue till tomorrow. Just as this happened yesterday. But yeah, it's a part of it. We can just make it or lose it sometimes. Okay, 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 okay. What we are going to do is, okay, I'm just waiting for the right time to close this trade actually. And we are in, let's see. It's just moving along this mark. If I do DCA at this mark, the price should be somewhere around here. 1762, somewhere around there. 1764. Yeah, somewhere around there. But I don't want to do that. I don't want to do DCA now at least. Hmm, let's see. Let's see. Yeah, there is a rejection for now, I think. So what we have made today is 50, 20, and 170. So we have made $240. Okay, it's a good little, but Okay, we are. Yeah, see guys, there is a rejection at this point. So it's trying to fill this order book, this, but not getting it because the buyer side is not strong for now. And see, it's a good, very clear, good rejection. Yeah, it can fall down a little bit. So what we need to do is we can wait and see the fun. And we are just waiting for something big to be happen here. Uh, 180 is realistic actually, for doing the DCA, but let me check. 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. No, there is a rejection at this point. If we see the 1 hour time frame. Oh, yes, it can. Sorry guys, I have a very sour throat and it's getting worst with the passage of time. I have just started from yesterday and not able to speak better now. Uh, okay. What we need to do is talent, talent. Okay, okay. So what's going on here is there is a rejection. That's a good sign. Uh, but for now, see, that's what I was just talking about. Like RSI is not always 100% right sometimes. Uh, but I have made a good profit using the RSI, almost 90%, almost. Success ratio for the short-term scalping using the RSI is my 90%, which is good actually. But sometimes it gets stuck, so you can do DCA just for once and let go, and set your stop loss. Your according to your appetite. So yeah, that's what I just wanted to talk. So moreover, let's see if we can. Mm, if I do DCA now, the price will come to 75767778. So the price would be, yeah. I just should not have to do DCA now. I should have to wait. Okay, Mr. Okay. And we will wait. Okay, what's going on? Missions. So the other position is in positive, and I just want to keep it continue maybe for the longer period of time. At least it should have to hit my TP. Yeah, it's very achievable. So we will wait and see if it hits my TP or not. On the other hand, if I would have to DCA from this price, then I should be able to. Okay, no worries. We will close this trade on positive for sure. For sure. Okay, okay. If the live session will be so long, maybe we can close the session after 10-15 minutes from now. The trade will be still in open, maybe. Or if I would be able to close in front of you guys, so you guys will have a better understanding. Moreover, I can show you tomorrow at the same time, so you guys will have a better understanding that how I did, and I will let you know, guys, how I did it. I already set the DCA price 0.180, and my entry price is 0.175. So after doing the DCA, my entry price should be 0.1775, somewhere around there. Yeah, some 1775, somewhere in between that. Yeah, yeah, where my mark is right now. So that's the way you can just keep your price down, and that's the way you can just achieve your price as well on a very quick manner. On the other hand, if you think like the price is not going to hit that mark somewhere near future, near time, so you can just add same amount. If you're using the isolated margin, so you can add same amount of money you want to do DCA with. You just use that money to add in liquidity. So that will increase the liquidity price. So that's the way you still be in safe position. So yeah, and sets your stop loss at that mark. If your trade goes wrong, then set your stop loss to your appetite, whatever it is, whatever you want to lose, whatever you can afford to lose. Yeah, that's what I always mention. And yes, we are. The price will come down for sure, but how quickly it's coming down, not sure yet. I don't know what's going on. The momentum is in my favor actually. I think it can come down to some point. It's really very near to my entry price right now. We can close it. Yes, just a big dip. Just two, three, four dips more, and we will hit our DP. Maybe that's what I dream of. But it's not always goes as you think. Yeah, but sometimes it happens. That's a part of it. Hmm. So I am waiting. I wish I could have do the DCA, but I would, well, no, that's not the right thing actually. That's the quick decision. Sometimes quick decisions kicks you away from the market. So that's what I just not did it from here. What I'm doing is I'm just waiting. I just want to show you guys like how I wish I can close this trade during this live session. And let's see. if I would be able to close it. And on the other hand, what's going on with this one? This one is also like very near to my break even. Maybe, yeah, let's keep it continue for, yeah. Okay, moreover, what we are going to do is we are just waiting. What can we do? Of course, the price will go up to this position somewhere around there at this mark. In like 3, 4, 5 candles, it can go up to this mark, then it will fall down. Because I have just seen the order book. Order book is just not filling it up very quickly. So maybe, yeah, there is a good chance for this one to go. Let me check, let me check, let me check. Okay, yes. 177, 178. 180, 182. Oh, so, okay. So, yes, there are good chances for this one to fall down, of course. What we can do is if the price comes to my break-in, we can close the trade. We can just pick it up from again. But that's what I always mention. Like I am very, very afraid of opening short positions. I don't know why, but I don't feel good for that. So yeah, that's it. That's what I always face. That's my actually the biggest fear. So, so so it happens, and most of the time, yeah, Ryan. Okay, I'm trading a meme coin. That's you can see the name actually now. Yeah, here it is. So this is the coin actually. Uh, I have opened the short position, but it went wrong to this mark. But now it's coming back to my break even at least. I don't know if I would be able to close this one if we see the 1 hour time frame. If we see the RSI is in favor, 15 minutes, the RSI is maybe yes, just falling down. And then if we see the 5 minutes still in favor, it's above 30. And 1 minute time frame, we are just trying to scalp do short-term scalping. It can now these multiple candles are not a good sign. Now the big green candles are just about to be in the market in position. So maybe let's see. Let's wait and see and hope for the best actually. And there is a rejection at least. Yeah, there is a rejection at my break even actually. If you can see, that's a support line for now. So if it gets support from here, then it can go up a little bit more. But anything can be happened. If the order blocks does not fills up properly, then sure it will fall down. I think I'm going to close this one on also on break even. I don't have a good feeling because I am not good in opening short positions. I could not judge it properly. Just want to close this position in front of you guys instead of like, okay. What happened with the other one? Okay, other one is also negative $15. No worries, that will come to a positive as well. It's already on the lower side of its price. And what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Oh, that's a good sign. The big red candles can give you a good, good, good profit. My TP is realistic, but achievable, but it can take some time, of course. See these red candles. These are not the good sign for now, at least. There is a rejection at this mark. So it's just trying to fill this gap actually. So let's see. Let's see. Okay, 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 okay. It will go up to this position, maybe this point. It can go up to this point, but let's see if it's going back to this point. Where my cursor is right now, yeah, there are good chances for this one to go back to this mark. And let's see. Okay. Okay, guys. Moreover, we are having the live session. Yeah, I'm getting rejection from here actually. Okay, this fall down, boy. See, the other position is $14, $15 positive now. This one is $21, $22. So if I can close both of positions, so I would be in break even. But I don't want to do that. I just want to keep it continue. I want to make $50 from this trade actually. 50. Oh, wow, wow, wow. See this kind of wow. It happened. We just entered the trade from here and it's just going back. Wow, a shot. This coin is very volatile actually. That's a big volatile coin. And it's on the lower side, so opening a long position is very safe. For such kind of coins, you can open the long positions, but do your own research first. I always do this. Opening short positions just gives me very bad panics sometimes, but no worries. It's a part of it.